Okay, to convert from radians to degrees, we multiply the radian measure of the angle by 180 over pi. So in problem A, we'll take 7 pi over 6, and we're going to multiply that by 180 over pi. And the pi in the numerator cancels with the pi in the denominator, so we just need to multiply 7 times 180 in the numerators, and then divide that quantity by 6 in the denominator to get 210 degrees. Okay, then in problem B, negative 2 pi over 3, we'll multiply that by 180 degrees over pi radians. Pi cancels, and we're left with negative 2 times 180, which is negative 360, divided by 3, or negative 120 degrees. And then in problem C, negative 8 pi over 15, we're going to multiply that again by 180 degrees over pi radians to convert. And the pi in the numerator cancels with the pi in the denominator, leaving us with negative 8 times 180 degrees divided by 15, and that's negative 96 degrees. Okay, then to convert from degrees to radians, we're going to multiply by pi radians over 180 degrees so that the degrees cancel and leave us with just radians. So degrees will cancel those units, and in the calculator you can deal with the fraction part. Just don't type the pi in, until your final answer. So 135 divided by 180, and we're going to convert that to a fraction by pressing math, enter, enter, and we get 3/4. Then we put pi back in, so 3/4 pi is 3 pi over 4, and that would be the radian equivalent of 135 degrees. In problem E, negative 320 degrees, we multiply by pi radians over 180 degrees. The degree units will cancel, and in the calculator, we're going to take negative 320, divide that by 180, and then math, enter, enter, changes that to a fraction. Then we can put pi back in our final answer. So negative 16 pi over 9 is the radian measure equivalent to negative 320 degrees. So in problem F, negative 110 degrees, we multiply that by pi radians over 180 degrees. The degrees cancel, and then negative 110 divided by 180. Math, enter, enter, and we get negative 11 pi over 18 in radians.